This little beast is a Lego Hulk truck versus Thanos set 67312. And guess what? It's way more fun than it looks in the box. It can keep your child busy for hours. So we took it outside to see how many jumps it could handle.
I need this car, this one, I need the last one at the end. Three. It's bending. 2, 1. It's up there.
Mate,
Come on,
you
go.
forgot to go.
That bit fell off. Oh, both bases fell off. Ah! Beep, 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 beep. Wow, a lot of front flips.
And after a few hours, the truck has a few scratches. But only minor ones, nothing to worry about. It's just a proof of how much fun it had. Building this truck was quick and easy. Thomas built the technical part and I built the rest. It is very interesting as both sides are identical. It looks like a tractor at the moment, so I could just stop here and use it as Hulk's tractor. And here it is all complete. I will be back soon with something new.